Welcome to Scratch the Brain. Today, we're diving into the science of memory and learning techniques that can help you remember more effectively.
Memory is a complex process involving encoding, storing, and retrieving information. To enhance our memory, we need to understand these processes and use strategies that work with our brain, not against it.
Spaced repetition is a learning technique where you review information at increasing intervals. This method takes advantage of the spacing effect, which improves memory and retention.
Active recall is another effective technique. It involves actively trying to remember information from memory rather than passively reading or listening. This strengthens neural connections and improves recall.
Visualization is a powerful memory tool. By creating mental images, we can make abstract concepts more concrete and memorable. Our brains are naturally good at remembering images, so use this to your advantage.
Students, these techniques can be applied to study sessions. Use spaced repetition for long-term retention, active recall for exam preparation, and visualization for understanding complex concepts.
Professionals can also benefit from these techniques. Use active recall during presentations to remember key points, spaced repetition for remembering important information over time, and visualization for complex problem solving.
Many people make the mistake of cramming or passive reading. These methods may provide short-term results, but they're not effective for long-term memory. Instead, use the techniques we've discussed for lasting results.
In addition to these techniques, ensure you're getting enough sleep, taking breaks, and maintaining a healthy diet. These factors also play a significant role in memory and learning.
That's it for today's brain-boosting journey. Remember, effective learning isn't about studying more. It's about studying smarter. Start applying these techniques today and see the difference for yourself.
Like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.